Can you do your elephant for mommy? Can you do it? Noah. Can you do your elephant for mommy? That's the camera. What do you say? Cheese? You say cheese? Cheese! How about elephant? Can you do your elephant sound for mommy? Can you make an elephant nose? Can you make an elephant nose? Mommy's doing it. Can Noah do it? Can you tell mommy please? Very good. Can you tell mommy eat? Can you do eat? Eat. Very good. Can you do more? More. Very good. How about all done? All done. That's so good. You're so smart. How about an elephant? How about can you make the nose? What is an elephant's nose? That's right, that's your nose. What does an elephant's nose look like? Do you know? You were just doing it. Is that Daddy? Daddy? How about baby? Can you do baby? Baby. That's very good, Noah. How about kisses now? Can you say I love you, everybody? You're an elephant. Very good. All right, say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Very good. I love you. I love you. Okay.
Mom.
Yes, sweetie. You want more food? Yes. All right. Mommy's going to give you some. Here. No, you don't want. How about some couscous? You want some couscous? Okay, that's enough. We've had enough. Say bye to the camera. Bye, elephant.